A very sad sign of the times here. A woman is now charged with murder for a deadly fight in North Philadelphia that was shown on social media.
My job is to entertain. That's it.
A woman was dead. A confrontation had become content, and the person accused of hosting it described his role as entertainment. So where does entertainment end and participation begin?
New at 11, police arrest a woman accused of stabbing another woman to death. The whole thing started as a fist fight and ended with a knife being pulled. Video sent to NBC 10 shows that fight unfolding in the middle of a street Monday along Lehigh Avenue in North Philadelphia. Sarah Conover died Tuesday morning from her injuries. Police arrested Zayshay Davis today. Police say the fight involving Conover and the mother of her ex-boyfriend's child was pre-planned.
The final act may have happened in seconds, but it was preceded by decisions that kept the conflict alive. Made it public and brought people into the same place. Separation usually gives anger time to weaken. But every new message, reaction, and repost can restart it.
My job is to entertain. That's it. Right? If you decide to bring your drama to my platform and it don't go how you want it to go, how am I to blame for it?
A platform can make a real confrontation feel like a show, but the people are not actors. The risk does not disappear because viewers are entertained, and the consequences do not end when the live stream closes. Conflict rarely keeps this much energy by itself. Someone repeats the insult. Someone gathers an audience. Someone makes the confrontation easier to reach. Someone turns it into programming.
Because as y'all can see right now, because of this situation, everybody like, mirror, like. But was the same person that was either watching, right? Was either watching or paid.
Watching is not the same as organizing, but attention still has consequences. It tells creators what people will watch, share, pay for, and ask to see again.
If y'all want to blame me for hosting the fight, cool. I apologize. I take it. You want to blame me like, oh, Mira should have never hosted it? Great. All right, cool. But as far as anything other than that, y'all reaching. And y'all just want to put my name in it. That's just what it is. I don't got to take accountability for shit. And I'm not going to take accountability for nothing that I did not do.
Accountability does not mean every person carries the same blame. The person who commits the violent act carries one responsibility. But others can still ask whether their choices increase the pressure, access, audience, or danger. Responsibility can be different without being non-existent.
Action News spoke with Conover's grieving grandmother today, who said she believes that the fight was over a man. The grandmother says both Davis and the influencer should both be held accountable. Meanwhile, she's struggling with the loss of the granddaughter that she raised.
It still seems like it's not true to me. It's not true. Every time I walk past her room door, I'm expecting her to come out, saying good morning, Grandma. But it's hard.
Online, it may have looked like an event. To her family, it became a permanent absence. Prevention usually looks unimpressive. It may mean refusing to host the confrontation or accepting temporary embarrassment before someone creates a permanent consequence.
We're not going over there.
Ending the live stream. Taking a friend home.
Let's just keep walking. We are heading to the car. I've got you.
Everyone watching eventually moved on. Her family could not.